Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Howard Cossell, here at the National Lawnmower Speedway in Southwest Virginia. First, I don't want them overdone. Toast. My toast came right out of the toaster and landed on the counter. Are you ready for breakfast, Sammy? You want some meat?
Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September.
Okay, who's tired and not into it today? Not up for this. Let's see. I think I'll make some grits and some sausage and an egg and a piece of toast. Yeah, get some water. Make the grits here. Some milk. I'm just putting stuff in. I bet I got 3/4 of a cup of each. Water and milk and a dash of salt. And clear your burner. I'm guessing on if I got that right. I just poured some in. I should follow the recipe, but I don't know why I didn't. Guess I didn't feel like it. How long does this cook? 5 to 7 minutes. But we'll go longer so they're really tender. sure there's no dry stuff in the corners. Do I cover it? Reduce heat to medium low, cover, medium low. Cover. Okay, 5 to 7 minutes. I got a little bit of cream cheese I'm going to put in it, and a few slices of the American cheese. What do you got planned for today? I got to put my clothes away. I'm doing laundry the other day. Will I get these top cabinets washed? I don't know. Beat. I-M-B-E-Eat. I love link sausage. Okay, they're getting cooked. I'm using my new utensils. Tongs are not ready to use until you wind them up.
Through the last days of September, since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one.
There we have it.
Whirl around
Scrambled eggs, sausage links, toast, and grits. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Howard Cossell, here at the National Lawnmower Speedway in Southwest Virginia. Anyway, we have, I don't know his name, so we'll call him Puddintain. We have Puddintain making hairpin turns. He has practiced with his lawnmower and he knows how. Well, what do we want for breakfast? I have leftovers from yesterday. Sausage and some grits. So that'll be good. Put some green onion on my grits. And maybe some toast. see. Oops. Use a spoon and it won't tear your bread. I warmed my sausage and grits up in the microwave. Put a dollop of jelly. Sprinkle of green onion. There we go. Grits, sausage, toast. Are you ready for breakfast, Sammy? You want some meat? You like meat, don't you? Okay, let's go have some meat.